The last two finals are m and ng. Okay, so m just two words, ng also two words. So we make together. So m just without initial, and then just a final m. So just okay, and then m sound. So you close your lip. Okay, close your mouth and lip. So okay, and then h become Actually, they are only just intonation sound. Okay, no much meaning. Okay, and then only two words. And then for the ng, okay, this is I find there is no initial, so it is just make the ng sound. Okay, now this sound you can utter, you can sound, because this is the sound itself is not a part of the sound. It's just the sound itself. It is the sound is just with the final ng. So it is okay. So we say and then h ng will become ha, and then ng. So this you can sound out, because sometimes you will say. So you make some sounds to show maybe your unhappiness or your disapproval to something happening, or to someone saying. When someone says something you don't agree or you want to disapprove, you will say okay. So like this, okay? Or you just want to notice someone that you are here. Okay? What are you talking about? Okay, then there's a okay, h. So that's all for all those different combination of initials and final. So if you learned bit by bit from the beginning to the end, learn every sound, every part of sound exactly, and pronounce it exactly. So try to listen to the videos again and again, and don't just listen once for all. Okay, you maybe listen one by one. Okay, learn one by one, master one by one first before you can finish the whole one. Okay, so all those videos for the pronunciation sure can help you master the Cantonese. Okay, so hope that you can listen and listen, practice and practice. That's it. Okay, thank you.